In this video, let's talk about the World Coin Auction that just realized $2.2 million in sales. So the Stephen Album Rare Coins held its Auction 44 back in September on the 15th at its offices in Santa Rosa, California. The prices realized were absolutely wild as they exceeded over $2.2 million with a sell-through rate of roughly 95% of the items offered. Many items sold for well over their estimated values, and this included some world records being set. Now, the Joe Setalot collection of world coins was an instrumental part in achieving these results. Highlights from the sales included a Cheng Chow military ration coin with single Chinese chop mark, which is really usual for this rare type of coin. It was NGC graded AU and sold for $45,000. An Indian commemorative coin, known as a Fathi Deccan, or Victory over the Deccan, with the special couplet that translate as the coin of the victory over the Deccan, struck at Mandu by the Shah of the land and sea, the emperor of the time, Shah Jahangir, son of Shah Akbar. And a wonderful example, absolutely clean and beautiful, and sold for $33,600. Another great coin was an attractive example of a Guangzhou AR dollar, which sold for $33,600. Another great coin and very, very clean was an Iranian Nasir al-Din Shah, an AR 5,000 dinars coin, opening of the New Tehran Mint commemorative series, and the die was engraved by Franz Pecan, who is incredibly important as an official from the Vienna Mint. This coin sold for $14,400. Another Indian coin from Al Mansur, a 1/4 dinar coin that was absolutely beautiful, It's exceedingly rare and sold for $11,400. A really interesting coin that sold in this auction was one made from crystalline calcite and is known as a rye stone money coin. It is holed in the center, and it's a very nice example of this famous ethnographic currency. It sold for $9,000. Although not a coin, a really interesting thing that sold in the auction as well is an example of brass cannon money, and it weighed 637 grams. It's from the 19th to early 20th century, and it is a plated example. It's really, really neat and sold for $1,320. The firm is preparing for its literature auction on October 17th and a 2,000 lot coin auction, which will be an internet sale that you can get in on. That's on November 7th and 8th. So check that out. I'll put a link in the comments below to the company's website that hosts these auctions. But what a crazy amount of sales, and more importantly, a nuts amount of value for some very interesting coins and items. Let me know what you think about this auction in the comments below. I will talk to you there, and I'll see you in the next video.